You made it to purple belt. Congratulations. We're going to be learning Kinsey's form here. This is Caden. Taegeuk Oh Jang. You guys ready to learn it? I'm going to face this way so you guys can follow along, okay? It's good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe. Ready? Let's turn around this way. Tree up. Come yet. Taegeuk Oh Jang. Chimbi. Ready? Low block. Then we come up. Hammer fist. Turn low block. Come up. Hammer fist. And this is kind of like a bad back stance here. Now, left foot outside in with the left, outside in. Now front kick, come in, back fist, outside in. Front kick, back fist, outside in. Now step, back fist. Turn like in basic form 1, you know this. We're in a back stance. I'll move up so you can see me. A back stance, knife hand block, comes down like that. Step front stance, elbow. Turn, knife hand, and front stance, elbow. Now low block, outside in, front kick, low block, outside in. And Kinsey, you've been doing a good job at this part. We come upper block. Now side kick with a punch, and elbow smash here. Turn this way, upper block. Side kick with a punch, elbow smash. I love this part. Low block, outside in, front kick, and then stomping back fist. Like that. Let's do it. You guys follow along, okay? All right, shout out to Connor, my cameraman. Thank you. Come to Chimbi. Shout out to Kinsey and Caden here. Ready? Let's do it all the way through. Taegeuk Oh Jang. Hup. And Barrel. Hey, thanks guys.